So if you're getting a little bit stressed out with everything going on in the world, I just want to invite you to take a few minutes and do this meditation with me. I was just going to do a little quick morning meditation, and I invite you to follow along on the journey. If you enjoy it, you can bookmark this so you can just take this little quick meditation every morning. So make sure you hit the like button on this video so more people see it, and just remind yourself to relax. If you are operating a car, please do not do this meditation. If you are not operating a car and you're able to sit down in a comfortable position, I invite you to find a way to relax yourself and close your eyes. So I'm going to be closing my eyes during this. So I invite you to breathe in nice and deep and exhale. And breathe in nice and deep and maybe put a little smile on your face and exhale. And as you're breathing in and out, imagine that you are no longer a body. You're just a giant energy orb, a giant energy ball. And it's this beautiful, beautiful white light. And every time you breathe in and out, you can see it, you can feel it getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. You can see your energy field getting larger because your energy is raising, because you're reconnecting to your highest self. Breathe in and breathe out. As you're breathing in and out, you notice your muscles relaxing. Take a look through your toes up to your fingers and see if you can relax all the points of your body. Maybe you're gripping your big toes or your feet. Maybe you're gripping your fingers. Maybe you're holding tension in your traps. See if you can just bring your awareness right to those spots and allow it all to relax. Say this to yourself. My nervous system relaxes totally. My nervous system relaxes totally. I am totally at peace. Now, as you continue to breathe in and out at your own nice rhythm, you can count your breaths. So when you breathe in, you can breathe in for 4 seconds, 5 seconds, and you can exhale for the same. So it would be like breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Now counting that in your head, 1, 2, 3, 4, can be a great way to center your mind back on the present moment. And just like a mantra, it can allow you to dive into those deeper places of peace. So just like the waves come in and out in a very rhythmic way, you can allow your breath to go in and out in a very rhythmic way, maybe for 4 seconds in and 4 seconds out. Now, you might notice your body starting to relax now. You might notice a lot deeper level of peace. Now, I invite you to bring your awareness to your hands and ask yourself, is there life in my hands? Now, don't ask your mind that question. Go to your hands, bring your awareness to your own hands, and see if you can feel the energy pulsating in your hands. Can you feel the energy moving? Because that's what everything is. It's just energy. And at every moment, you can shut the stress off, you can shut the fear off, and you can go back to this deep level of peace. See if you can feel the energy in your hand. Is there life in my hand? Ask yourself that question as you breathe in and breathe out. Maybe you feel the energy now pulsing in your hands. Maybe try it in your feet. Is there life in my feet? Don't ask your mind that. Bring your attention to your feet and see if you can feel the vibration emanating from your feet. Because that's all you are. You're a giant vibratory pattern. You're a giant vibration. And now your vibration is one of peace. Now your vibration is one of relaxation, feeling so thankful for you're alive, Thankful for your health. Thankful for the health of all your friends and all of humanity's. Thankful that you have the ability to hear these words, that your nervous system is so beautifully powerful that you can just take a few simple breaths and totally relax. You are now totally relaxed. And as you breathe in and out deeper and deeper, you feel your mind drifting away. And now, that pulsing in your hands, that pulsing in your body is getting bigger and stronger. And it's washing away all the fear. It's washing away all the stress. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, imagine all this dark, black, gray energy releasing out through your feet. Releasing out through your feet, and let the earth recycle it. Let the electromagnetic field of the earth recycle it. As you exhale, imagine all that dark energy, all that stress, all that worry just leaving right out of your feet, right out of your nervous system. And as you breathe in, imagine that big, beautiful white light getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Now, just remember all that peace, all that joy, it's available for you all the time because the kingdom of heaven is truly within you. I didn't give this to you. You've given it to yourself. You've given it to yourself by remembering that you can always find peace. So, if you feel complete, I invite you to open your eyes, maybe blink them open and close a couple times. Just allow yourself to kind of reacclimate to all the light around you. Maybe it puts a smile on your face. I feel relaxed. Now, I invite you to whatever you got going on to try to take this simple meditation with you. If you want to pass it on, I invite you to do it with somebody else, maybe with your boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, best friend, coworkers, roommate, and maybe just practice a simple meditation, just once a day, where you breathe in, you count your breaths in, count your breaths out. You imagine that big, beautiful white light of your energy field getting bigger and purer and lighter and lighter. And as you exhale, you imagine all that stress dropping out of your feet as the earth and the electromagnetic field of the earth recycles all that energy. And all the time, you can just say, is there life in my hand? Is there life in my hand? This gets us out of our mind and in touch with our own body, with our own energy field, and with the present moment. Is there life in my hands? While you're driving, while you're in the store, when you're watching TV, whatever you're doing, see if you can just check in with your feet, see if you're gripping your feet. If you are, just breathe a nice deep breath into your feet and allow the muscles to relax. You can do the same with your hands. A lot of people hold tension in their jaws, they grip it. You can go, and just allow it all to relax. So I wanted to make a little simple meditation to help you cultivate a little bit more peace of mind right now. So I hope you share this with someone else. I hope that this brought more joy and peace to your life. Make sure you hit the like button on the side right over there. That's what'll send this out into the YouTube universe so more people enter in this energy with us. So make sure you hit the like button on the side right over there. And comment down below, I cultivate my own peace. Comment down below, I cultivate my own peace. You can comment down below, I cultivate my own peace. It's a great reminder that at any moment we can remember the kingdom of heaven is within. Wishing you an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to you soon.